Today, a lot of people are looking for how to make money online, but unfortunately, it is not easy to find honest ways to earn money online, as the internet has many much fake agencies, scams, and frauds. However, if you are careful and research the sites you sign up with, you can actually find a number of ways where you can earn money online, and for many, there is no initial investment needed. So let's start our video and search the ways where we can earn money online, and let's find out. So let's get into it. So number first is content writing jobs. Content writing is the process of planning, writing, and editing web content, typically for digital marketing purposes. It can include writing blog posts and articles, and you can also write scripts for videos and podcasts, as well as content for specific platforms. If you are good at writing, you can look to make money through content writing. Lots of companies these days outsource their content work. You can register yourself on websites that offer this online work, such as Internshala, Freelancer, Upwork, and Guru. There you can register yourself as a writer and then start to get paid work from companies to write about things like brands, foods, travel, and other topics. Or you can get paid even just correcting their existing articles also. So number second is start blogging. The purpose of a blog is to provide content on your website that answers your customers' question and then helps them learn about your product or services. It expands your brand's visibility by giving Google and other search engines content to index and serve up in search results. If you enjoy writing but you don't want to work as a content writer for others, you can also start your own blog. Blogging sites like WordPress, Medium, Weebly, Blogger offer both free and paid services. Once you know your areas of interest like book reviews, food recipes, travel, arts and crafts, you can start writing about it. Once your site begins to get some visitors, you can earn money through ads. Depending on the traffic to your site and your readership, you can earn up to 2,000 to 15,000 a month for your ad space. So the next thing is doing freelancing work. Another popular way to earn money online is through freelance work. Those who are good at programming, editing, writing, designing, and more can look at portals like Upwork, People Per Hour, Kulkania, Fiverr, or Truelancer to find work with business that look for freelancer. You just need to register on one or more of these portals, and based on the work you offer, you can gradually work your way towards high paying gigs as a freelancer, and you can make a ton of money doing freelancing. On your blog or website, you can even sell digital products of things you have covered, like recipes or instructions for crafts. This includes audio or video courses, ebooks, design templates, plugins, PDFs, or UX kits. You can also distribute and sell these kinds of downloadable and streamable media through sites such as Amazon, Udemy, Skillshare, Coursera. Since you only need to make your product one time and you can sell it as many times as you want, you can have high profit margins for a well-made and unique product. If you are someone who knows multiple languages, you can also earn money online as a translator. In this global age, there are quite a demand for people to translate everything from documents to voicemails, papers, subtitles, and much more. You can find such work with specialized translation agencies or through freelancing portals such as Freelance India, Upwork, or Truelancer. Your income will be based on the number of languages you know, and while you can earn sufficient money through Indian languages alone, you can always earn more if you know foreign languages like French, Russian, Spanish, or Japanese. And if you have a certificate for the same, it's a great thing. Generally, you will paid per word, and you can make from 1 rupee to 4 rupees per word based on the language. Since almost everyone has a smartphone or a computer these days, one of the easiest ways to earn money online is by testing out apps and websites, as companies and app developers don't want users to get confused by their new products. They hire users to do that. It's called beta testing. Sites like Beta Testing, Testerwork, Test.io, or Try My UI public. Depending on the product that is being beta tested and your experience with the process, you can earn from 1000 to 3000 each time you test the app or website. If you have a lot of knowledge about a given subject or you are currently a college student, one good option to earn money online might be to offer online tutoring lessons. Students at every level are looking for lessons in everything from English, math, science, history, and even help with competitive exams. And based on which subject you teach, you can set an hourly rate based on your expertise, and you can earn up to 200 to 500 per hour. You can choose to sign up with an online tutoring platforms like Udemy or Coursera, or you can also reach out and look for people in your social circles who need tutoring classes. A lot of people are wary of investing in the stock market, but it can be a great way to make money online. Where you invest in stocks, you are just buying shares of company, and when those company shares increase in value, you will pay dividends by the company. While stocks can indeed be risky, but you can reduce this risk by diversifying your portfolio with a number of profitable shares. You can earn high dividends just by working online.